Yeah, it's gonna be a scorcher today. They're saying it's possible record heat. It's Friday, the 3rd? Yeah, June 3rd. Now, I've been pretty busy over here. Got the trailer out, working on the backyard, and just got the plates for my Fairmount today. Cool. And the title. Sweet. Well, I got a little bit of news. I got a guy coming over later with a convertible Mustang. I'm thinking about possibly trading my dually for it. I don't know. Depends. Holy crap. Puss. Good morning, sunshine. Good morning. Puss, puss. Wake up. Wake up. Hey. Hey. Wake up. Wake up, fuckhead. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Lazy. I'm lazy. Good God. Fuzzing up everything. I'm laying there like a beached whale. Oh, coffee. Yeah, got the trailer out and I'm cleaning up over here. What a piece of crap. Yeah, got the backyard looking good. Looks like crap in the video, but eh. Well, today I am gonna work more in the backyard while waiting for this guy to come pick up that, or come with that Mustang. And fucking morning slime. So while waiting for him, I'm gonna clean, do some shit. Might pull my 51 out of the garage. Had the bikes out because it's been nice. They'd be super nice for a ride, but I don't know if I'm going to take one or not. Might. Gotta clean up in here. This is not really a priority. Oh yeah. Jeremy's got his bike all together. Still needs a few parts, but it's coming along. Got this out, cleaned it up. Been riding it. Rode it to work one day and rode it all over the place. Thought about maybe riding it to Alton tonight. I don't know yet. Depends. Yeah, if I'm there too late, I don't really like riding it at night with the deer in the country, because it's loud, and as you can see, very loud. It might make a little noise. Scare deer. Deer run out in front of me. I hit deer. I get ducked. Just dicked. I move Jeremy's car. Fuck. And do some more cleaning. Get it all done. Good looking out here. Hello, Dooley. Yeah, you might go bye-bye today. Still don't have a front bumper on it. Can't find my bumper brackets. Shit. Might have to build some if I keep it. Big the van's happy at least. It's got a bumper. Screw the cat some more. Giddy. Giddy. Puss, puss. Puss, puss. Wake up, puss, puss. Wake up, puss, puss. Wake up, puss, puss. Jesus, wake up. Wake. Fat ass. Oh, well, let's put my plates on. Randomized plates. Sweet. Title. Wait. Yep. Anywho, well, that's all for now. Cool.